Natalie here. Today we're going to go over how to do the magic circle, or it's called the magic ring. And I know that this can be a struggle for some people, myself included. It used to be, and I used to just avoid doing it. So today, in addition to going over how to do it properly, I'm also going to go over the problem I had when I was learning it. So maybe that will help you. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you.
You want the tail facing you. That's important. It matters. So put 2 fingers out and wrap it around once. The tail should still be facing you. I'm going to show you the wrong way really quick. If you wrap it around this way with the tail away from you, the magic circle will not work. So you want it facing you when you start, and when you wrap once, it'll still be facing you. So just start with it facing you. And then it's a 2-twist situation. Oh, a little more tail. Okay. Oh, before we get there, sorry, I'm jumping ahead. Pinch right here. This is going to be the ring when you're done. So pinch the tail and the ring right now, but not too tight, just tight so that it doesn't fall off your fingers. And go under this first one, around the second one, and then grab the second one, and then go around again. That's the 2-twist situation, and pull this through. Do you see how I'm pinching here? I just turn my hand, and now I have the circle and the tail in my hand. At this point, the magic circle is very fragile. Once we put a crochet into it, it'll be less fragile. When you put your crochet into it, you go around the tail and the magic circle together. Very careful not to let it fall apart. Okay, I've got a single crochet and it's much sturdier now. Before you continue with your project, do a test and make sure that it worked by pulling the tail. See how the circle moves easily? That means it was done correctly. If it doesn't move easily, that means it was incorrect. Probably want to try again. Let's put some more crochets into it, and again I'm going around the magic circle and the tail, both together. Otherwise you wouldn't be able to tighten it with the tail. Then you can tighten it when you're done. Nice and tight. And then there's your magic circle. Okay. I'm gonna go back and show you the wrong way, just so if something, the error that happens is happening to you, you can know why. Okay, so remember I said the correct way to do it is with it facing you. When you start, you wrap around and it's still facing you. Okay, let's do it the wrong way. It's not facing me, it's facing away from me. I wrap it around, it's still facing away from me, okay? These next steps, I'll do the correct thing, because this is where I think a lot of errors happen. You do this, and then you do the correct thing right here, but it doesn't work and you're wondering why. 2-twist situation. You start with this one, you go around, then you grab this one, you go around, and then you pull it through. Notice when I turn my hand, since it was backwards, when I have this hand, I'm not holding the tail in the ring anymore. So if I crocheted into this, that wouldn't work. So then, let's say I notice, oh, I don't have the tail in the ring, and so I just switch my hand and I grab the tail in the ring here. And I think, okay, that'll fix it. Watch. Put a crochet in. I have the tail in the ring here. I'm going to try to tighten it now. Look, nothing happens. The ring is loose. It's not working because it was done backwards. So if this is happening to you, maybe that's why. So then you would just need to redo it. So one thing to know is, I'll do one again correctly, facing me around. And then I'm pinching here. going around, then I'm grabbing the second one, I'm going around, and then I'm pulling that through. When I turn my hand to start crocheting, I shouldn't have to let go and then come grab over here. I'm already holding the tail and the ring. I just start crocheting. So that's a great indicator for you. If you do that and you're not holding the tail and the ring, then try again. Okay, I hope this has been clear. Yeah, magic ring. That's it. Let me tighten it just to show.